This is day 1 of me building my fully autonomous AI company in 21 days. I'm setting up 5 agents who build and run their own company. No employees, only me and my agents. And they have one goal: make profit without me. At the end of this, I'll either have a company that runs itself or prove that we are not quite there yet. So if you're feeling behind or late to the game, this is your sign. I'll break down the role of each agent, no buzzwords, no hype, and simplify every concept so you can follow along. Over the last few months, solo founders invaded the internet. It's happening just as new AI tools and models are dropping every single week. The opportunity has never been bigger, but the pace has never been so overwhelming. To justify the challenge, these are the 3 things I have to believe are true. First, that this is possible. The fundamental pieces already exist. The technology and the hardware are accessible. Second, that I can do it. Not that I know exactly how to build it today, but that I have the understanding and the capability to execute and figure things out. I started my career as a software engineer, writing code for lithography systems. These are one of the world's most complex machines on Earth. I know my way around code and APIs. It's just that this has been long ago, and these aren't even the same sport. I haven't shipped code in years, and I'm about to find out if this even matters anymore. Third, that this is testable. There needs to be a clear answer to, did this work or not? For this, 3 things need to be locked. My objective is to build a profitable company. 0 employees. Every job is done by an agent. The timeline is 21 days. I want to have enough room to document the journey and share it. Now, the success criteria, this is the part I'm mostly excited about. The AI company needs to run for 72 hours without my intervention. The moment I have to step in is the failure line. Organizations today are structured around business functions, with roles and job descriptions designed around the capabilities and constraints of human resources. But agents can be scaled, replicated, and specialized through instructions, context, and tools. They operate within guardrails and are limited by the integrations available to them. I'm designing my company around business outcomes. I will assign 1 agent to each value driver. For this, I'll need 5 agents. A typical workflow would be the Evolve agent finds the market signal, translates it into business requirements, and passes it on to the builder. The builder turns it into a working software. The growth agent takes it to the market. The operator keeps it alive and answers customer questions. The orchestrator keeps the overall context and aligns priorities. Alright, now enough theory, let's start building. I'm starting with a Hermes agent that I will connect to a Vibing tool. Vibing? Let me introduce you to Forge, our first AI agent. He's the builder. Forge has an Opus 4.8 brain, uses Cursor for vibe coding. He has a persistent memory that remembers everything that we discuss. He has a skill set that I can expand. He keeps me updated through Telegram. And Forge has a soul that I can write. This is basically how I want him to act as an agent. Forge needs to know what to build, and at the moment that input comes from me. Coming up with business ideas is not in his mandate. Here's my starting bet. Carousels are everywhere. Every creator or brand is using them. Making a good one is slow and mostly is a lot of repetitive work. Our tool takes 1 prompt and turns it into a finished carousel. In your style, your branding, your voice, as if you made it yourself. And it is priced so fairly that using it becomes a no-brainer. Is this $1 million idea? Probably not. But I don't want to be stuck thinking about the big idea. Validating this is exactly the job of an agent that you haven't met yet. Now, with this, Forge is ready for his first working day.